The old configuration had a dark black countertop and peninsula.
It was very pretty if you just wanted to look at it. But to actually work in it, like to feed 20 or 30 people on a Sunday, forget it. Couldn't do it.
I'm from St. Louis and I've known about Karr Bick for a long time. And when I looked into the paperwork from when the kitchen was redone before we owned the house, I saw that it was Karr Bick and I figured it would be a good idea just to go back there too.
Janelle did an amazing job mixing color and texture, and it's such a pleasant, happy place to be. I love spending the morning here.
We had very much the same ideas about what to do, and we worked really well together. She showed me the design and with samples, and everything she picked was just spot on to everything I was looking for.
I was just blown away by just the architecture and all the natural light and openness and just happiness in the space. The art is awesome. The little bistro chairs setting, I really want that for myself. The commercial appliances, that they just seem like you want to play with them. And then the most astonishing thing is the 90-second dishwasher, which we are all missing in our lives.
In a restaurant, a dishwasher runs for about 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes and you're done. You know your dishwasher at home. It runs annoyingly for 2 hours plus, right? So that makes cleanup impossible. Well, this thing is a commercial dishwasher, 90 seconds, you're done. Hot, clean, sanitized dishes and glasses. It's awesome.
I think, gosh, that would really save me a lot of dishes in my sink.
Not only function, but everything within reach, so you don't have to take a lot of steps, because you'll wear yourself out, and it's inefficient. So in this kitchen, I can feed as many people as you put in the house, and I can do it by myself.
This is a beautiful kitchen, but it's beyond anybody's wildest dreams how functional it is. And that, in the end, is what my husband really loves about it.
You know, function is the key to everything that we do, right? It makes our lives easier. Everybody's life is chaotic and crazy and hectic. And although we want to be in a space that's beautiful, it also has to be very functional for anybody, from a chef, you know, to a mom, to a grandma, whoever's, you know, cooking or prepping in the space. You want it to be joyful, but you also don't want to be irritated by having to step over something to get somewhere or something not being thought out properly. It just adds to the joy of being in the kitchen.
Wow. I mean, it's a unique kind of place where my husband gets to display his talent for his culinary skills. 16, 17 years in the business, and ended up corporate chef for Ruth's Chris for a while, then on my own with my own restaurant group in Boulder and Denver.
Well, having a husband that's a chef, I'm also jealous that he cooks on Sunday nights. There's a lot of envy going on with me this morning. I've had one other chef client, and the cooking that comes out of kitchens, and he just has all the great toys and all the great pots and all. It's just easy access. I mean, you can tell somebody that cooks a lot thought through this space, and it's, you know, with a good team, and the Long Island, all the clean white countertops, and then just the open access to everything is really, really nice.
Now the way it's configured, he can actually be part of the party and do his thing. You know, it's just really great. He enjoys it, and we've got this counter set up so that there's lots of seating here, but it also works really well like as a buffet. So it's a casual setting, and it fits our lifestyle perfectly.
Before I married Todd, I had a magnetic knife board on my wall. He is not functional, he is all form, and I miss it. Like, that is one of the greatest creations. And I think in a kitchen, it's okay to have like your knives out, even if you aren't a chef, a trained chef.
I think you'll agree, it looks very, very clean, very fits the bill, it fits the house. This is kind of a Clayton modern house, and I think this fits. And the color palette's perfect for our preferences.
It just, I think it's about the fact that it's just a lot of fun to cook in here, and the cleanup is a breeze.
This really is my dream kitchen.